Namaskar.
We all are here on the day of International Yoga. This is Kashi, Banaras, Varanasi, Anandavan, the cultural capital of India. We are going to perform yoga here with famous yogini Smriti Singh Ji. Smriti Singh Ji belongs to the Ma Anandamayi family. Ma Anandamayi is well known in all over the world for her yoga, meditation and spirituality. She is granddaughter-in-law of Ma Anandamayi. So this is a great opportunity to perform yoga with Smriti Singh Ji Yogini. So yoga is not only exercise. Yoga means to be unite. What should be unite? Our nose with our knee or our feet with our head? No, nothing. This is exercise. Yoga means union of the body, mind and soul. For that you need exercises. For a good body where the wonderful mind and the great soul live. So Smriti Ji is the perfect combination for that union, yoga, mind and soul. We are going to unite all here. Smriti Singh.
Namaskar. मैं स्मृति योगिनी as Ajay ji is told about my introduction. I belong from the famous saint Ma Anandamayi family and I got this blessing from the famous saint Ma Anandamayi. So we have in this lineage of spirituality. So I am going to deliver this message to the all over the world for the COVID-19, how to protect your body from the COVID-19, from this coronavirus, how you will save your body from this virus. So we are going to focus on that practice. So I am going to tell also for the Hindustani, the Hindu who is living in India and also who are living in abroad, the foreign country, my friends, my pupils, for them. So I will talk in two languages, English and Hindi both. So in this way everybody can take the benefit of this practice. We are actually stand in front of the Ma Ganga. This is the Kashi, ancient city of the world. This is a spiritual city who can bring your body and mind and soul together for the spiritual practice. So this city is a very unique city. This is a spiritual city. This land is heated land. When you will practice yoga, the foreigners who are my friends, who are very near my heart and who will come and become our friend. So they have to come in Varanasi city and take the benefit of yoga and spiritual practice. We are going to deliver our message through by Incredible India. This is a spiritual land of the world. So we are going to celebrate World Yoga Day. World Yoga Day we are going to celebrate today. This day we are going to increase day by day. According the government, we are going to increase because this time we are suffering from the virus. This virus can damage our body and our health. So that's why we have to increase our timing of the practice, timing of the yoga. So let's to practice yoga and we are going to start our practice by mantra, by pranayama, by mudra. Actually, as the yogi, they are performing the yoga. They are without using the mantra, mudra, and their sadhana, their everyday daily routine practice, yama. Soch, Santosh, Tapas, Swadhyay, Ishwar Pranidhana. This is the body rule. Yama, Satya, Ahimsa, Aste, Aparigraha and Brahmacharya. This system, when we are going to follow routine way, definitely our body and mind get ready for yoga practice. So we are actually stand in Kashi. Kashi is a land of spirituality. So we are going to take the blessing from the Lord Shiva. In this Kali period, two mantras are amog, is Jivant, alive, that is a Maha. Mrityunjay mantra. Maha is great. Mrityu is death. Jai is victory. You have to become a winner of your death. Second mantra, Amog mantra. Which one is already is alive in this Kalyug period? In this Kali period, that is a Gayatri mantra. In Gayatri mantra, there is a 24 letters. In a day, we have a 24 hour. If we are chanting this 24 letters, pronunciation very clearly and chanting the mantra proper way, definitely our body energy gets balanced. I am sounding loudly because I covered of the save our body from the COVID-19, but this area is very clear and very clean, so we are completely protected. So we will practice this to make our immunity system boost up. How to increase your immunity system of the body, how to increase your protection power, how to increase stronger, make the white blood cells stronger. So let's to practice that type of the pranayama, mudra and asanas. Actually in the whole world, everybody is performing the pranayama, Nigarbha pranayama, without the seat. When you are going to perform the pranayama with the Sagarbha, with the beach in the prana, prana is a life source energy. Definitely your body will become stronger. Your white blood cells, the process to make the white blood cells, that continuously stronger, going to become stronger day by day. So in this way, your body gets protected. The virus cannot enter in your body. Any kind of the disease cannot enter when your immune system gets boosted up. But remember that it's a very important message to everybody. This message, how to increase the immunity system. If you are going to perform traditional system of yoga, definitely you will increase the immunity system stronger and your body gets protected. So let's do start. We are taking the blessing from Ma Ganga, Baba Vishwanath, Maha Mrityunjay, Gauri Kedareshwar. The Kashi is situated on Trident. So we are taking the blessing from the Lord Shiva and we are starting our practice from the Guru Mantra. So let's do start this practice. Pranam Mudra. Eyes should be closed. Focus mid of your eyebrow center. Activate your Guru Chakra. Gururedevo Maheshwaraha Gurure Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. So bow your head. When you bow your head, you was actually on your Guru Chakra, on your Jnana Chakshu, on your mid of the eyebrow center. This point actually is read from your Guru, from your inner Guru. So when you are going to chant this mantra, you are completely near of your Guru. You are taking the blessing from your master. So after ending of this mantra, when you are going to bow your head, you are going to connect from your heart center, the point of Anahata center, the center of the God, the center of the God, center of devotion. So this is the point of the Lord Vishnu. Here is a exist. Here is a Lord Vishnu power, Lord Surya power. So when you are going to perform Surya Namaskara, so you are going to activate your heart center. So we are going to start next mantra, as I told you just before, Gayatri mantra. Gayatri mantra is Amog mantra, 24 letter that can help to balance your lunar and solar energy of the body. So let's do start. Pranam mudra, eyes should be closed. Focus on your breath, deep inhalation and deep exhalation. Focus on Anahata center. How to reach on this center? You have to must follow the mantra. You have to chant mentally, so, hum, so, hum. This mantra can help to bring you exact the point of Anahata center, the center and the center of the God. From here, we are going to start our Gayatri mantra. So, Pranam mudra, imagination of the God. As you dedicate your practice to your master, feel you are in front of the sun now and receive the blessing from Ma Gayatri. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturevarinyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo yo nah prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturevarinyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo yo nah prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturevarinyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo yo nah prachodayat. Heart center. Rub your hands, warm up your hands. We are going to moving for the final practice, physical practice. After that, subtle practice. After that, the higher, the cosmic practice for the Mahasamadhi. So rub your hands. When we will feel our palm is getting warm, try to cover your face, reason support by palm. Absorb the energy in your aura, 5 to 6 inch distance from your body, your inner aura. You must do this practice because you have to protect from your body from this virus, COVID-19, coronavirus. From this body will protect by this aura after chanting the mantra. Bring your hand down, cover your throat region, slightly semi-turn your head backward. Cover your throat area, Vishuddhi chakra. Which area you are covering by hand, try to bring your concentration that part of the body. Akash Tattva, the point of ether area. 16 lotus petals exist on this area. 16 art. Lord Krishna has it. Upright your face position, bring the hand down. Absorb the energy, bring into your chest region. After that area healing, bring your hand slowly down. Each part of the body you should protect by your hand energy. Which energy is now releasing from your hand? Now cover your abdomen region. The area of Manipura chakra, the point of fire element center. 10 lotus petals exist on this center. The point of Agni Tattva. Cover your sexual energy point. The point of water element center. Bring your concentration in this area. Imagination of the water. When your imagination of the water starts, you can absorb the energy easily away. Now cover your earth element center, the root chakra, Mooladhara chakra. 4 lotus petals exist on this center. Lamasida mantra. When you are covering this area, you are activating your root chakra. Now separate your hand, bring the hand in front of the thigh region, thigh area. End of this healing, you must bring your hand in front of the navel region. Interlock of your finger and insert your left thumb like an oval shape between your right index and right thumb. Lingam, Lingam, Yoni, Jaisha. Srishti, Layatmak Mudra. Srishti ki Layatmak Mudra. Lingam, Yoni, Jaisha is representing Prakriti is going to dissolve in supreme consciousness power. So we are going to open our class with the chanting of Om mantra. Akar, Ukar, Makar, 3 letters in Om mantra. So when you are chanting the Om mantra, you can protect and you can clean your inner body. Akara, this part. Ukara, heart region. Makara, this part. So Vata, Pitta, Kapha, Tamoguna, Rajoguna and Sattvic Guna. Brahma, Vishnu, Lord Mahesha. Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. Lots of meaning, 100 meaning of the Om. Or Amen, or Amin, or Om. You have to don't bound from any religion. The way you have to learn how to reach on real destination. Again, inhale, hold the breath, start the exhalation, pick up the sound from the nada part. Again, one more time. Hold the breath for 1 second, pick up the sound from nada. Open your eyes. Let's do a little bit practice to make your body, muscles warmer. And then practice will bring 100% result. Physical practice, asanas, we are going to start for the gross body. So let's just start. Stretch your arms. Look forward. Raise your heel just for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Exhale and down. Bring your heel and hand at the same time down. Forward your hand in front of the chest region. Breathe in. Breathe out. Shoulder length distance between your 2 feet. Breathe in. Inhale, hold the breath, raise your head. 1, 2, 3. Exhale and down. Again. 1, 2. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in, inhale. Exhale, other side. Inhale, after 3 seconds, come back. Exhale and down. You must bow your head because your back muscles need the normal condition. When you stretch your arms, back part get a little bit tired. So lower your chin. Griva Chakrasana. Lower your chin. Move your head clockwise to round. From where you start, from there just keep weight. Hang your head, down your face, the side of the earth. From there, anti-clockwise to round. Griva Chakrasana. 1, 2. Lower your chin. Upright your face position. Bring the hand back of your head. Widen your elbow. Stretch your spine. Breathe in. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. Raise the hand. Stretch your arms. And breathe out. Shoulder length distance between your two feet. Feet position is straight manner. Forward your hand. Inhale. Exhale. Down your head. 1, 2, 3. Come back. Breathe in. And breathe out. This practice I am showing you just one time. You must remember when your body is raw, to prepare your body like a right body, yogi body, you need to take 45 days. Then you can go longer time in one position. Now separate your leg, bend your knee, bring the palm above the knee, this area. Focus at the point of navel region area, the point of your Manipuri chakra area, this area. You must remember this tight of your cloth should not get the pressure on your navel region. So you should wear the cloth this area. If you are giving pressure here of the belt, you can't take the benefit of this practice. Breathe in, inhale, rhythmic way, at least 15 number you have to count mentally. Exhale, forcefully way, and try to contract your body to boost up your immunity system. Exhale. Exhale, try to contract your belly. Try to make the abdominal lock and push your knee backward. Back. Straight your knee and straight your arms. Lower your chin. So abdominal lock, Uddiyana Bandha. Jalandhar Bandha, chin lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Abdominal lock you should release first. Then you should release chin lock. Stretch your body, take the wrist. Catch your wrist past your natural breath. Spontaneous breath. Natural breath. If you are thinking this time, after this practice, body cannot ready easily for the next round. So you should must relax. You saw I was speaking loudly because I practice a lot in a whole day. I do the religious practice. Without religion cannot be happen the realization. Always remember, religion could be anyone. It's not just Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Jainism. So any religion. Again, let's do down your hand. Inhale, forcefully we exhale. Breathe out, exhale, and try to push your knee back. You have to try to contract your belly, suck your belly in, lower your chin, chin lock, Jalandhar Bandha, abdominal lock, Uddiyana Bandha. If you are not able to make the ribs lock, you just contract your belly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release abdominal lock, release your chin lock. Stretch your body, catch your wrist. Your mind has to not to jump like a monkey way. You should must catch your wrist like that and pass your natural breath. This is the technique how to focus for your practice. Between the practice, our mind is started to get jump. So you have a weapon in your hand. Catch your wrist, pass your natural breath. Spontaneous breath. Keep your time. Take your time. At least 5-second gapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next practice. Separate your leg. Bring the palm above your knee. Bend your knee. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe out. Try to contract your belly. Contraction in the belly area. And after the contraction, you have to must hold your breath outside. After holding the breath outside, you should release your belly out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Come back. Inhale. Standing Agnisar Kriya. Give the time your body, your inner organs was without breath. Vahe Kumbhak Pranayam. So through by that practice, you are cleaning your inner organs. The toxin gets out from your body and you can boost up your immunity system. Rog Pratirodhak Kshamta. How to increase this Rog Pratirodhak Kshamta? Immunity system. This is the way. Again, try to bring your feet together. Next practice after the standing Agnisar Kriya. Just we done Agnisar Kriya. Agni is a fire. Sar means purification. 72,000 nadi get purified through by that practice. You have to follow the sequence. So bring your feet together. When I was doing my MA and master degree in yoga and PhD in yoga, I learned this method from the Jain School University. So let's to practice Dirgha Swas Preksha Pranayam to make heal and stronger your inner organs. Bring your 4 fingers backward, like that way. Come back. I wanted to show proper way and thumb in front. Inhale, breathe in, breathe out, bring your body in 30 degree. Measure by self 30 degree. After exhalation, you have to deep breathe from the nose to the bottom of your chakra. 1. This is 1 round, inhalation and exhalation. 3 rounds. You must remember from nose to the bottom of your chakra. Come back, inhalation. Come back. Breathe in and breathe out. Separate your leg, catch your wrist. Pass your nostril breath. 5 second gapping for the next round, for the next practice. Come back, bring your feet together. Next practice in 90 degree. Bring the hand backward. Inhale, measure by self, 90 degree. Deep inhalation from the nose to the bottom of your chakra, area of the Mooladhara chakra.